In this video, you are going to learn how to change image background or erase completely or remove the background. Let's start by removing this text that we have here. Now, click on this icon and import the image you want to change its background. So after selecting the image, let's change the image size. That will work well for this kind of picture. So you enlarge your picture. It's okay like this. So this is the option you are going to use. You go to erase color here. Once you click erase color, enable it. But now to automatically remove one of the colors that are there, but here we have to select the ones we want. So you click on this tab, which is this dropper tool. Click on this dropper tool. So once you click on that dropper tool, you will now be able to select the part you want to remove. Let's select here first. Tick the box, select addition icon first, addition. It will make it two colors that you can remove. Now select the eyedropper tool again. After selecting plus, place it where you want the color you want to remove. Make sure it is the background color you are removing. Click OK. Select the addition button again. Select the eyedropper tool. After that, select the color that remains. Click the tick. Select addition sign again. Select eyedropper tool. Select the color you want to remove. Tick it. Do that repeatedly until you have all the colors removed. If you notice that some of the colors were not erased very well, go to eraser, mainly this one, and select it. This one. So once you select eraser, you can then rub off some parts that may become very hard to remove using that eraser. So don't let it touch the image. You can adjust the size of your eraser if it needs to, so that it won't have anything to do with the main. So after doing that, for the main part, you can then check if it has wiped off. Can you see? So you can do that and make sure it is very well done. Now that you've removed it, go to this tab, this one here. So click it and go to color, select color, and then put the one you want. Let's use, okay. So the picture will need some more editing if you want it to be very well and good. Adjust and do what is necessary.